Hi everyone, it's Romy, your self-development and financial growth classmate. So let us now proceed to setting up your payment account or your PayPal account. So the first thing you have to do is definitely to go paypal.com. Go to paypal.com and then you will be redirected to this landing page or their homepage. And then click on create account, and then you can choose two types of account, personal account or business account. So here, let's choose a personal account. Click on continue and then add your mobile number and then click on next. And then now a code will be sent to your phone number and then you have to type in the code. There you go. And then now you have to configure your profile by filling up this things. Email address, password, there you go, and then click on next. And now your nationality, you have to input I'm Philippines, and then your address and your city. Click on confirm, accept, and create account. And that's it. What's the next step? Then now you can link your card by clicking here, link card for later use. So what you can use for your PayPal account is a debit card or your credit card. You can input your card details here, input your payment details here. I'm gonna try to input mine, but I'm gonna blur all my details, okay? So even if you haven't linked your card yet, you will still be able to open an account on PayPal, but it is recommended to please open a debit card if you don't have one yet. It's very easy. Any card that has Visa or MasterCard, it can be used on PayPal. So on the next videos or probably on my next post on our Facebook group, I'm going to give suggestions on where you can open your debit cards. So that's it, and thank you.